You are coming to Istanbul and of course you want to see the landmarks and local experiences. As a local from Istanbul, I'll be honest, planning everything, booking tickets one by one and waiting in long lines, it's tiring. You might even skip places because of the crowds. That's why I recommend MegaPass. It makes everything simple.
It's a digital travel pass that gives you fast-track access to Istanbul's most famous sites like Hagia Sophia, Topkapı Palace, the Dolmabahçe Palace, and the Basilica Cistern. In Blue Mosque, you will have a live guide showing you around. Also, you will have 5 passes to Istanbul card to use public transportations if needed. But that's not all. It also includes local experiences like a Bosphorus Cruise, Turkish baths, and even a whirling dervish show. And the best part, you can customize your pass, choose how many days, which attractions, and even which cities. There are multiple Istanbul pass options. In this video, I'll show you how to book it and how it works. I'll also take you with me to use the pass across Istanbul and you can see if it is right choice for your trip. Let's start with the booking. You go to the MegaPass website. You choose your pass based on how many days you want to explore and which experiences you are interested in. Once you make your choice, you pick your travel dates, enter your details, and pay. It takes less than 2 minutes. After your purchase, you will receive a confirmation email with a link. Use that link to make reservation for each activity, selecting the time you want. Once you have completed your reservation, you will get a second email with QR codes for each attraction. You don't need to print anything, just show the QR code on your phone and walk in. Let's practice together in Istanbul. First stop, Hagia Sophia.
So for the Hagia Sophia, you have to wait and buy your ticket in this line. It's not even long today. I can assure you, that line is way longer normally. But with MegaPass, you just go right away with your QR code. That's so easy. I'm gonna show you now. But here, you have to go through the security check. Even if you have the QR code, it's normal. Okay, I passed through. And now, this is where I need to get my QR code read. That's it.
The audio guide kicks in right away and I start learning about this place's incredible story. Originally built as a church by Emperor Justinian in the year 537, it was the largest cathedral in the world for nearly 1,000 years. Then, after the Ottoman conquest of Constantinople, it became a mosque with minarets, Islamic calligraphy, and a mihrab added. Today, it functions both as a mosque and a museum. So you'll see a fascinating mix of Christian mosaics and Islamic architecture side by side. And with MegaPass and with the audio guide in your ear, you are not just looking at history, you actually understand what you are seeing. Next is the Blue Mosque, and this time I'm joined by a live tour guide, and that changes everything.
So for the Blue Mosque, I am meeting my tour guide here. He is going to give me my 5 transportation ticket and we are going to explore the Blue Mosque together with the group here. So it was quite easy. I saw the white flag there and the tour is going to take an hour. So tour starts with information about the hippodrome.
The guide points out details I would have easily missed and shares stories that bring the place to life.
Now we are in the main garden of the Blue Mosque. Right now, in our tour guide, he is explaining the architecture, everything step by step.
This mosque isn't actually called the Blue Mosque, that's just the nickname. Its real name is the Sultan Ahmet Mosque, named after the young sultan who commissioned it.
Take your shoes off when you're going to the mosque. Not for this mosque, everywhere you should do it. We have shelves here that you can leave your shoes on. We are in the Blue Mosque right now.
Inside, you'll find over 20,000 handmade blue Iznik tiles, which gives it that famous glow from which it takes its name. All of this makes so much more sense. Having a tour guide makes all the difference. Now we are heading the underground to one of the most mysterious places in Istanbul, the Basilica Cistern.
As you see, there's a long line in front of it. They're waiting for the ticket, but I have my QR code already. I'll just go inside from right there. That was so easy. I just went inside. People are still waiting outside, and it is started getting so hot in Istanbul. I wouldn't like to wait there outside in that line. Thank you, MegaPass.
These columns were recycled from Roman temples. They all look different. I walked between 336 marble columns.
So they change the color of the lights time to time, every after like 2 minutes or something. It was dark and green, now it's yellow and red. Great feeling to be here, especially with that light changes.
And at the far end, there they are, two famous Medusa heads used as column bases.
There are two heads of the Medusa here. It's one of those, and the second one is here.
No one really knows why they are here or why upside down, and the other is sideways. The whole place is quiet and cool. It's one of the most surreal spots in the city, and with the audio guide you get to hear the full story while you explore.
Entrance and the exit is all different place. So you go in the cistern from there, come from all the way through the underground, and exit is here.
Next up, Topkapı Palace, the heart of the Ottoman Empire for almost 400 years. To go inside, meet your host at Chimney Bistro, just a 50-meter walk from Topkapı Palace.
I got this one that is showing that I'm with that group, and I have my ticket with me. So this is the ticket going to take us through the gate. As you are waiting here, you can sit and drink something. If you're hungry, you can get some snack, just 10-20 minutes, I think. It is a good time to rest. Right in the front of the place, we met with our tour guide, and she explained everything, what we're gonna do. So she's with the red umbrella, we are following her. We are going now to the entrance.
The best time to visit with less security line is before 10 a.m. or after 2 p.m.
So I'll tell you how to visit the palace in easiest way.
She's going to take us to the harem. It's actually paid area separately. You have to pay for it. Besides, you pay for the palace. It's a really good thing that your ticket is including both. So I'm entering the harem area right now. So this is where the royal family live.
With MegaPass, everything's so smooth, and start exploring with the audio guide. It leads me through the courtyards, the royal kitchens, the treasury, and the sultan's chambers. So I take my time, follow the guide, and explore the place at my own pace, without missing a thing.
It's a huge place. I think you need to give at least 3 hours to see everything, but you can even spend the entire day here. So with the Istanbul card, I have 5 passes inside. I'm taking one tram from Sultanahmet area to other side of the city.
Now we are at Dolmabahçe Palace.
So I don't go to the ticket office here, so I will just go directly. This is really easy. This is where you will get your audio guide, and it is included in your ticket. So it's not allowed to take any videos or pictures inside the building. That's why I cannot show you. But even the garden is so pretty.
I'll show you the gardens and entrance area. It was the administrative center of the late Ottoman Empire, and even Atatürk, the founder of modern Turkey, spent his final days here. That makes it a place of grand importance for locals. This place has completely different feel. It's more European, more modern, incredibly elegant. In the main building, you will be stepping into a world of crystal chandeliers, gold-plated ceilings, grand staircases, and rooms that feel straight out of a royal movie set. And with MegaPass, you can walk right in and explore it all with the audio guide. Inside, your MegaPass gives you access to all areas. You should also see the bird section in the garden.
I agree, dude. So pretty.
Now, our next part of the tour.
the Bosphorus Cruise tour with this boat. I'll use my MegaPass. Just you need to go to the right place. This is Eminönü. Takes about 1 hour and 45 minutes. I think it is the best way to see the Bosphorus. In English, you will have an explanation about the most famous landmarks.
One of the most memorable parts of the MegaPass experience. With the premium pass, you can choose from a variety of attractions, including the Bosphorus Cruise, which offers a unique perspective of Istanbul from the water. If you are looking for an even more luxurious experience, the Deluxe Pass includes a dinner cruise on the Bosphorus with Turkish night, food and drinks, providing an unforgettable evening of dining, entertainment as you sail between two continents. Whichever options you choose, the Bosphorus Cruise is a perfect way to see the city from a different angle. So, is MegaPass worth it? Absolutely. You save hours of planning and skip long ticket lines at the most visited places in Istanbul. You also avoid the hassle of buying multiple tickets, dealing with confusion at entrances, or missing out on guided info. Everything is in one simple digital pass. If you are planning your trip, this pass really gives you more for your time and money. No lines, no stress, just enjoy the city. And MegaPass also works in other cities like Cappadocia, Pamukkale, and Ephesus, and even in Europe in some places like Paris, Rome, and Barcelona. To learn about the history behind each destination we visited today, visit our website turkeytravelplanner.com. And if you are ready to book your MegaPass, just click the link below.